Hey guys, my name is Faith Hicken. I signed up to do question number 11 in chapter 3, which I have laid out here on this Excel spreadsheet. So I hope that it kind of makes sense for you guys. I wanted to first start out by kind of going over what a trial balance was. In the book, it says that a trial balance is a trial balance lists accounts and their balances at a given time. A company usually prepares a trial balance at the end of an accounting period. The accounts are listed in order in which they appear in the ledger. Debits balances are listed in the left column and credit balances in the right column. So you'll notice that right here, that debits are in the left column and then the credits over here will be in the right column. And then the two totals of each columns are going to equal to the same amount. So that has to be the same amount in order for your guys' question or the answer to be correct. Over here I'll list all of the accounts. And then over here on the right, I just did a remember and then a helpful hint. So the remember just says that these are the procedures for preparing a trial balance. List the account titles and their balances. Total the debt columns and total the credit column. Verify the equality of the two columns. A helpful hint is that the order of presentation in the trial balance is assets, liabilities, stockholders' equity, revenues, and expenses. That means that your account titles are going to be listed in that order. And it kind of is set up like a balance sheet. So we'll just start here with the first one. So the first input is going to be cash, since it is the first asset that would be listed like it would be on a balance sheet. And then a cash is going to be a debit. So we'll just input this here, and I hope you guys understand Excel, because I'm just going to make these equal, those accounts. So cash is $5,810. The second input is going to be accounts receivable. And that's also in the debit column, which is over here, $2,680. The second one is equipment. Sorry. Which is also in debit. $13,340. And that looks like that's all of our assets. So we'll move on to the liabilities, which starts with accounts payable. And so since it's a liability, it's going to go under credit. So accounts payable is $1,410. Next, we would list the common stock, which is the stockholders' equity. Which is $18,000 right here. Then we'll go on to the dividends. Which is a debit, and that is $1,590. And then we move on to revenues, which are service revenue is a credit, and that equals $8,940. And then our expenses go under salaries and wages expense. and that's going to be under debit. $3,610. And then finally we do our rent expense, which is also going under debit. Which is $1,320. Okay, so now that we have all the information input, we are going to total all of these, which in Excel you just do equals and then sum and then parenthesis, and we're gonna drag this for the total and close parenthesis, which equals $28,350 for the debit column, and then in the credit column we'll do the same thing. And we have right there the same equaled out balance, $28,350. And then also I almost forgot that right here we have to enter in the date, so don't forget to do that, which is June 30th, 2017. Which that shouldn't look like that, but you guys get the gist. So that is how you fill out a trial balance sheet. I think that is everything, so I hope you guys understand this, and if you have any questions you guys can just comment in the discussion board and I will explain it to you. Thanks for your guys' time.